Hello, my name is Matt, and welcome to the video newsletter brought to you by thevirtualinstructor.com. This is my opportunity to share with you all the new things that I've added to the site over the last month or so. I want to thank you for taking a look at this, and I want to thank you for being a part of thevirtualinstructor.com. Now let's go ahead and take a look at what's new on the site for you this month. The first video I'd like to share with you is a member-requested live lesson. And in this 1 hour live lesson, we take a look at knife painting using oil paints. And within this 1 hour live lesson, we almost complete the full painting using just knives, no medium, just oil paint and knives on canvas. There's a link below provided for the full 1 hour lesson, which is available to members. Recently added to the Pastel Landscape Mastery series is module number 7. And in this module, we take a look at drawing realistic water using pastels. There's also an ebook that corresponds with this video lesson. And in this case, we're taking a look at some rough seas and how to create that illusion through value and color. A link is provided below. Another video added to the site within the last month centers around creating the illusion of reflective or transparent objects through the use of value. In this 1 hour live lesson, we take a look at drawing a transparent chess piece using graphite and how value is really the secret to creating this illusion. Also added within the last month is a live lesson that centers around a little illustrator's trick that will help you transfer images quickly and accurately so that you can complete a near perfect copy of that image. In this case, we did a high contrast portrait, but it really applies to any type of transfer of image you need to do. We also did a 2-part live lesson series on drawing a dog with oil pastels. In this case, it was a dog portrait, and this was a 2-part series, so it's a total of 2 hours here. The link for the live lessons are provided below, as well as excerpts. If you're not a member, you can see excerpts of this video. Within the last month, we did quite a bit of colored media, including colored pencils. And in this added 1 hour live lesson, we take a look at drawing cherries, representational cherries using the colored pencils. Here we really focused on creating that illusion by building up layers of colored pencils and letting that burnishing happen on the surface. We also used a colorless blender in the process. Sticking with colored medium and colored pencils specifically, also added to the site in the last month is a tutorial on drawing representational lips using colored pencils, and this is a free video and it's available to anyone. So there's a link provided below, and I hope that this video will help you out with your portrait drawing when it comes to using colored pencils. Another live lesson that has been added to the site recently centers on the use of gouache, and gouache of course is opaque watercolor, so it's somewhere in between acrylic painting and watercolor paint, and it has a lot of attributes that you can take advantage of. And here we do a painting of a representational apple in this video. So I hope you'll take a look at some of the videos that have been added in the last month. And thanks again for being a part of thevirtualinstructor.com.